In today's video, we are putting two premium robot vacuums head to head to see which one truly deserves your home. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these robot vacuums, make sure to check the link in the description below. The Ecovacs Deebot X12 Omnicyclone goes all in on carpet care with its auto shield that lifts the mop to prevent wetting, while the Dreame Matrix10 Ultra counters with a more powerful 30,000 pascals suction that digs deeper into fibers. On hard floors, the X12 utilizes a FocusJet pre-spray to loosen dried-on messes before its self-washing roller mop scrubs, yet the Matrix10 Ultra offers a unique multi-mop switching dock that automatically selects the right pad for different surfaces, preventing cross-contamination from kitchen to living room. The Dreame truly shines in navigation, with a sophisticated system that avoids over 240 types of objects, from cables to pet toys, and it has the physical prowess to clear obstacles up to 3.15 inches high, whereas the Ecovacs relies on smart AI detection and voice control through Eco for a seamless user experience. Maintenance is a key differentiator here. The X12 features a bagless Omnicyclone station that reduces downtime and cost, while the Dreame's power dock includes a thermo-hub system that washes its mop pads with 212 degrees Fahrenheit heat to eliminate odors, though it relies on dust bags which might be a recurring expense. Both offer self-emptying and self-refilling, but the Ecovacs ZeroTangle 4.0 brush is exceptional for pet owners dealing with long hair, yet the Dreame's HyperStream detangling brush and dedicated pet odor solution provide a compelling, holistic approach for animal lovers. For smoother transitions across multiple rooms, the Ecovacs has enhanced traction for thresholds, but the Dreame's FlexiAdapt technology with retractable legs handles high steps and balcony rails without breaking a sweat. While the Ecovacs offers fantastic voice control and a robust app, the Dreame provides incredible value with its 3-solution compartment for wood, tile, and marble, ensuring a tailored clean every time. Considering the superior suction power, the innovative obstacle clearing abilities, and the hygienic, versatile mop switching dock that delivers a truly comprehensive clean, I believe the Dreame Matrix10 Ultra offers a more future-proof and versatile cleaning experience for a modern home, and you can find it at the best possible price through the link in the description below.